Hey guys, I hope you're well. Welcome back to another video, and I was going to actually say sunny Melbourne, but I'm filming this after the little skate session. It was actually sunny for a change here in winter, which is like pleasantly surprising and really pleasing as well. Today we just checked out this little skate park, well, if you can call it a skate park. It's sort of underneath a train bridge, like what you can see there. And like, yeah, it's arguably a skate park, maybe not a skate park, but nevertheless, there's skate objects and you can have a bit of fun. You can see it's situated underneath the train station here, or the train bridge, and the train station's over there. This is at Moreland Station. It's pretty much Brunswick. Brunswick skate park's not too far down. It is a bigger and better option than this one, probably, but I was really keen to see this online because like online it looked really good. I enjoyed the it looked fun online. Things look nice. But you look at Google reviews and this is probably or is the worst rated skate park in Melbourne. A lot of the Google reviews were saying that objects are too small, too short, really odd, really weird. I don't know, I was like, when I was looking at it online, it didn't look too bad. But when we got here, you can sort of tell that some of the stuff is maybe a little short, but like there's a lot of 1-star reviews. There's a 1 5-star review that actually says like, it is a bad park, but at least there's something. And that's really the moral of it. At least there is a skate park for people to use. The concrete is smooth. And let's check out the session that I had just before. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll check in after more about my feedback and how I thought it skated after. Look, yeah, the skate park is small. Some of the objects are a bit odd. That ledge in the middle there isn't there in pictures. Bloody bikes. Wasn't there in pictures. It just sits there. Some local chucked it there. Some of the things like the ledge over there, that little obstacle, everything is short, but the skate park is smooth. It actually was really busy here when I got here to start with, so I didn't do any like filming with too many people around, but it gets busy. There's a reason. I actually did my first Euro ollie ever on the Euro over there. I was really pleased with that. Also did the down ledge, again, really pleasing as well. But I can definitely see how people dislike this park. Things are really odd like that. The rail over there, the short up and down rail, it's really short, it's steep. Then there's the bank over there that's like, has the coping that sticks out. Like, I could only do rock and roll on it, too scared to do rock to fakie. Tried half cab rock and roll, didn't work. Like I said, the grass is, the park is really smooth. The other issue is that we have table tennises here, all this playground here. So you do get like a lot of kids and stuff like that running across the playground or running across the thing here. People are playing ping pong, so the balls go boing, boing, boing into like a few skaters ran over the ping pong balls, which can be a bit dangerous. That 3-stair, really hard to hit. I tried to hit it at the end. I had to personally carve into it. You could probably use the Euro to go around and then hit it. I tried that. Not that good at Euros. I lost speed. It was easier for me to throw down, go around the pole, and then try and ollie it. Something is like, there's the train there. Something else I'm gonna plow through this. The Euro, I really enjoyed the Euro. It's probably a really good beginner Euro. I did a 180 up it. If I can do a 180 up a little Euro or a step up like that, like anyone can skate that, I reckon. Then you got the down ledge as well. Not really much of a run up, which is like, that's the theme of like the whole skate park. So up the back here, there was no run up. You got probably like 3 meters behind it. The walls are steep. These banks are steep. Everything's short and steep, everything's short. Look, I can see why people would give it that 1-star rating. For me personally, I'd probably give it a 3-star. I enjoyed my time. I probably spent 2.5, 3 hours here. I'll probably come back again if I'm in the area. There's like some fun things here, especially like more so everyone skates the bank and stuff like that. So, what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Would you skate this park? I reckon if I was local, I'd probably be more here often. The only other beef that I see online, and I reckon personally that they probably should have accounted for as well, is the roofing here. Let's if you're going to build it underneath a train station, just enclose it. Werribee skate park has the same thing. It's a really nice big skate park, but has the gap in it. Once that gap, bit of rain, it drips water for days. But until the next video, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope I'm not too shaky here. Not a bad skate park. 3 out of 5 on Google, I'll probably give it. It's fun. It is fun. If you can have fun skateboarding, it doesn't matter where you go. My arm's getting stiff. I'm ending this one. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Peace.